Today I am reviewing the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55-BK digital camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, versatile, and budget-friendly digital camera, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55-BK is an excellent choice. Whether you're just starting out in photography, looking for a reliable vlogging camera, or need a lightweight travel companion, this camera offers a perfect combination of features, portability, and image quality. Starting with the core, the PIXPRO FZ55-BK features a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor that delivers crisp and vibrant images. This sensor ensures that your photos capture rich details, realistic colors, and excellent clarity, making it suitable for everyday photography, travel shots, and family memories. You'll notice that even in moderately low-light conditions, the camera produces images that are sharp and clear, which is impressive for a camera in this class. The camera's 5x optical zoom combined with a 28mm wide-angle lens gives you versatility for a wide range of photography situations. From sweeping landscapes to tight indoor shots, or even portraits with subtle background blur, the lens ensures your compositions are dynamic and professional-looking. Unlike digital zoom, which can reduce image quality, the 5x optical zoom preserves detail and keeps your photos sharp from close to distant subjects. For content creators and vloggers, the PIXPRO FZ55-BK shines with 1080p Full HD video recording. You can capture smooth and detailed video footage suitable for social media, YouTube, or personal projects. Whether you're shooting a travel vlog, an unboxing video, or family moments, this camera makes recording video straightforward and convenient. The 2.7-inch LCD screen helps with framing your shots and reviewing your footage instantly, making it easy to ensure your photos and videos look exactly how you envisioned. One of the great aspects of this camera is its compact and lightweight design. You can take it anywhere, on vacations, hikes, city tours, or casual outings, and it won't weigh you down. This makes it perfect for people who want a high-quality camera without the bulk of a DSLR. The rechargeable Li-ion battery ensures you have ample power for extended shooting sessions, and it's easy to recharge when needed. Storage is flexible and convenient with SD, SDHC, or SDXC cards up to 512 gigabytes. This means you can take thousands of photos and hours of video without worrying about running out of space. Just make sure to use at least a Class 10 card for smooth video recording and optimal performance. The Kodak PIXPRO FZ55-BK is also extremely user-friendly. Its menu system is straightforward, making it ideal for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by more complex cameras. At the same time, it offers enough creative control for enthusiasts who want to experiment with composition, zoom, and video recording. You can easily switch between photo and video modes, adjust settings, and navigate the menus with minimal effort. In summary, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55-BK is a reliable, versatile, and budget-friendly digital camera. Its 16MP CMOS sensor, 5x optical zoom, 28mm wide-angle lens, and 1080p Full HD video capabilities make it ideal for travel, vlogging, and everyday photography. The compact design, LCD screen, and rechargeable battery enhance portability and convenience, ensuring you're always ready to capture the moment. Whether you're a beginner photographer, a casual vlogger, or someone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use camera, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55-BK delivers excellent performance in a small package. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants to capture sharp photos, smooth videos, and memories that last.